Coming up, I will discuss how if you embody these attributes, you can bring more success into your life. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. Successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better, said Jim Rohn, an American entrepreneur, author, and motivational speaker. We all want more success in our lives. People who get ahead in life exhibit specific characteristics. You don't wake up one day and have these traits. They originated habits built over time. To maximize your potential, reach your goals, and excel at what you do, it's beneficial to develop the attributes required for success. Here are 10 personal qualities that will help you thrive daily. Number 1, drive. People often say that motivation doesn't last. Well, neither does bathing. That's why we recommend it daily, said Zig Ziglar, an American author, salesman, and a motivational speaker. To be successful, you must work to get to the top of the ladder. You must have the drive and remain disciplined. It would be best to remember your why so you can reach your goals. It would be best if you were committed to being successful. It would be best if you made a habit of being willing to do things that most others aren't. Act daily towards what you want. Your drive is all about persistence, sustained effort, and achieving what you set out to do. The clearer you are on why you want to do something, the more driven you will be, especially during tough times. You will face challenges along your journey, so you must have good habits to bring you closer to what you want in the future. Number 2, patience. Have patience. All things are difficult before they become easy, said Saadi, a Persian poet. Patience can be challenging to develop because most of us believe in the term overnight success. It's a myth, and not much happens in life overnight. People pegged as overnight success were working on their craft for years and perhaps even decades. To achieve success in life, you must be patient. Patience is how you can overcome hard times. Patience also helps you avoid chasing the shiny tool, a fad, or something trendy. You can't chase the next thing to reach your goals because you will not put in the effort consistently to get the job done. Number 3, resilience. Resilience, in a sense, is applied optimism, said Kate O'Neill, a tech humanist and cultural strategist. Resilience is about how well you adapt to circumstances. In nature, it's about animals and plants adapting to changes in nature. In life, it's about thriving and growing during hard times. We are all going to fail. We are all going to make mistakes. We are all going to fall. The key is to build the resilience trait so you know how to get back up, shake off mistakes, and learn from failure. Resilience will help you face challenging times and bounce back from trials and tribulations. When you have resiliency, you come up with solutions to your problems, go beyond your comfort zone, and embrace your mistakes. You can become successful when you develop a resilient mindset. Number 4, courage. Courage is the first of human qualities because it is the quality which guarantees the other, said Aristotle, a Greek philosopher. Many people fear taking risks and don't reach their God-given potential. Don't be afraid of taking risks. The biggest risk is not taking a risk. When you take risks, you'll grow. Acknowledge your fears, confront them, and use positive self-talk to tackle them head on. Successful people make being brave a habit. They find a mentor to help them embrace failure and overcome the trap of complacency. To be successful, you must have courage. It would be best if you are committed to achieving your goals. You must focus on what can go right, not wrong. Having the courage to be committed to your goals and purpose in life is the key to success. Courage is grace under pressure, said Ernest Hemingway, an American writer. Number 5, commitment. The quality of a person's life is in direct proportion to the commitment to excellence, regardless of their chosen field of endeavor, said Vince Lombardi, an American football coach. If you are committed to reaching your goals, you have a higher chance of achieving them. Commitment gives you focus and helps you define your goals and what you want to achieve. To stay committed, find what motivates you, make an action plan, and get support from others. Furthermore, don't give in to negativity. Discipline yourself and practice good habits. Commitment is all about ensuring your goals are meaningful, relying on your strengths to accomplish your objectives, and spending time doing what you love so you have high energy and excitement. When you are committed, you are dedicated and determined to get the job done. Number 6, passion. Nothing is important as passion. No matter what you want to do with your life, be passionate, said John Bon Jovi, an American singer, songwriter, guitarist, and actor. Passion is one of the most crucial qualities you must have to be a successful person. Success follows passion. Passion helps you get up each day with excitement and anticipation. You have a burning fire inside you when you are passionate about something. You will want to be 1% better every day when you have passion. You'll be able to have the strength to tackle your challenges with vigor. You'll become a better person when you have passion. Number 7, optimism. The optimist sees the rose and not its thorns. The pessimist stares at the thorns, oblivious to the rose, said Khalil Gibran, a Lebanese American writer, poet, and visual artist. Optimism is about approaching each situation with an open mind and finding solutions to problems. You look at the glass as half full, not half empty. You are optimistic about your ability to achieve success and overcome life's challenges. You have an open mind and find solutions to problems. When you are passionate, you do everything necessary to solve the problem. Be optimistic about life, but don't lose sight of reality and have blind faith in others. Number 8, integrity. Integrity is the human quality most necessary to business success, said John C. Maxwell, an American author, speaker, and pastor. Success in life is tied to your integrity. Do you do the right thing when no one is in the room? Living an honest, successful life can happen when you have integrity. To win the hearts and minds of others, you must be honest, open, and transparent in everything you do. Developing this trait is essential because trust is built over time on integrity. To develop integrity, express gratitude, communicate openly, and take responsibility for your good and bad actions. Furthermore, respect others and yourself and help those in need without sacrificing your health. You can demonstrate integrity when you examine your morals and ethics, stand up for what you believe in, and surround yourself with people of integrity. When you have integrity, you are a role model for others, and that helps you become successful. Number 9, communication. Communication is a skill that you can learn. It's like riding a bicycle or typing. If you're willing to work at it, you can rapidly improve the quality of every part of your life, said Brian Tracy, a Canadian-American speaker and author. Successful people are excellent communicators. Communication is essential because when you effectively communicate, you relate well with others and influence them to see your perspective. Communication is about not just hearing what people say verbally, but what they are saying through their body language. Communication is the foundation for trust and respect. You can establish a stronger and deeper relationship with others when you effectively communicate. We spend almost all day communicating, so success happens when we focus on improving our communication skills and deepening our relationships. Communication is all about sharing and conveying information. It sounds easy to do, however, for many, it isn't easy to implement. Number 10, confidence. To succeed in life, you need 2 things, ignorance and confidence, said Mark Twain, an American writer. Confidence is about having faith in your abilities. You must be confident that you will succeed today, tomorrow, and in the future. Confidence is built with a strong support system and being realistic about who you are. It's about trusting yourself and believing that you have what it takes to succeed. Confidence is written in how you talk and carry yourself. Your verbal and nonverbal cues tells others if you are confident or not. Confidence is about how you think about yourself internally. It will impact how others feel about you externally. If you think highly of yourself, so will others. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. Success is peace of mind, which is a direct result of self-satisfaction in knowing that you made an effort to become the best of which you are capable, said John Wooden, an American basketball coach. There are 10 traits you should cultivate to live a successful life. You must have drive, patience, resilience, courage, commitment, passion, optimism, integrity, communication, and confidence. Some of these attributes will come naturally to you, while others may not. Identify what attributes you need to work on and how you will incorporate them into your daily life. Thank you for watching. Until next time.